And we got MODOK on the surprise bobblehead Marvel opening. We need some help?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Show it to everybody.
Hang on. Look, it goes on his butt.
It goes on his butt.
Yeah.
It does go on his butt. That's alright.
Yeah.
That's funny. Can you get it on there?
I'm gonna try.
Here, let me see. Did you get it? Oh, you got it. That's alright. You hold that. Put that down. I just want to show the MODOK off. I'm MODOK. I am the smartest being ever. You cannot beat me. With my
Okay.
intelligent brain. Bubble, 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 bubble. Alright, show us what Guardians of the Galaxy you got, man. Maybe Groot. Let's go for Groot. Yeah, is it Groot?
No,
No?
Gamora.
Gamora. Awesome. Well, you love Gamora.
Yeah.
She's pretty cool. Take her out. Let's see her. Show everybody.
I don't know where. I just dropped it.
You just dropped her. And there's Gamora after Connor dropped her. She's cool looking, man. She's got her swords.
I thought it was Groot. No. Okay.
Let's see if we can get it to focus back on it. There we go. Look at
Here's
that.
paper.
She's pretty cool. All right, guys. Say bye, Connor.
Uh,
We'll see y'all next time.